Okay, so how to say there are a lot of books in the library. I have three friends. He ate a little. We bought some bread. They have a packet of or two packets of chips. There are several trees in this area. I drank a glass of water or some water. How to say all this in French? That's what we're going to learn in this video. Okay, expressing the quantity. We learn the expressions, words, articles used to talk about the quantity, les quantités. Let's start learning. So, les quantités, how much or how many. Okay, so to simplify this, we have divided the quantities into three: la quantité précise, la quantité imprécise, and la quantité indéterminée. Let's take la quantité précise first. Okay, so there are many ways of expressing it. La quantité précise is basically a known quantity and something that we can count or measure. Okay, the quantity is known to us and it is precise. So the first way of expressing it is using the numbers, les nombres. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 50, 100, etc. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 50, 100, any number. Okay, so that's how we do. Then we have not the number but the measurement, les mesures de quantité. Okay, it can be 1 kilo de, 300 grammes de, or 1 litre de, 2 litres de. Okay, then we have un demi-litre de. Okay, then 500 mètres de. Okay, 500 meters of, etc. That's how it goes. Okay, it can be measured, okay, with these measures or measurements: un kilo, gramme, litre, mètre, centimètre, etc. Okay, then we have les contenants. Okay, so the containers, measurement according to the container, a packet of, a glass of, a box of. Okay, so the first one is un paquet de, then un verre de, okay, a glass of, un bowl de, a bowl full of, une boîte de, okay, a box of, une bouteille de, or deux bouteilles de, okay, etc. Then we have les parties, okay, a part of that whole quantity. Yes, so for that we have un morceau de, that is a piece of. Next we have okay, so une part de is a slice of, okay, but it is generally used for the triangular slices that we make, okay, for pizzas or for cakes or tarts. There we use une part de. If it is horizontal or thin slices, fine slices, like we have um, bread slices, or meat slices, okay, so they are called une tranche de. Okay, so yes, these are a part, okay, of the whole. So les parties. Okay, so these are for la quantité précise, and you can take examples like we have deux tomates, two tomatoes, okay, 50 personnes, 50 people. Then we can have 1 kilo de fruits, a kilo of fruits. Then un demi-litre de lait, half a liter of milk. Then un paquet de chips, a packet of chips. Une boîte de chocolat, a box of chocolates. Un morceau de fromage, a piece of cheese. Une part de gâteau, okay, a slice of cake. Une tranche de pain, okay, a horizontal slice of bread. Okay, so that's how you can use it. Then we have la quantité imprécise. Okay, la quantité imprécise. So here it is approximative. We cannot exactly measure or count it. Okay, so it's a vague quantity, not precise or approximate. But at least we have an idea that it is a little, a lot, some, several. Yes, that's why they are called la quantité imprécise or approximative. Okay, for that we have the least amount of quantity, peu de. Okay, peu de is not sufficient, insufficient, or very less or little. It's a little negative. Okay, peu de. Then peu de is also little, but we talk about it a little positively. Okay, I have un peu de café. J'ai un peu de café. I have a little coffee. Okay, so we don't talk about it negatively like peu de, it's a little positive, un peu de, though the quantity is less in both. Okay, then we have yes, after peu de and un peu de we have assez de. Okay, that is sufficient or enough. Yes, assez de, I have enough milk, okay, to prepare the cake. So assez de. Then more than that, we can say quelque. Okay, quelque is some, but it is countable. Okay, quelques livres, some books. Okay, then we can also have quelques collègues, some colleagues. Then we can say quelques lampes, some lamps. Quelques animaux, some animals. Okay, it is countable. Okay, but we don't know the exact quantity there. Okay, so quelque is some. Then more than that, we have plusieurs. Okay, plusieurs is several. Okay, j'ai retrouvé plusieurs amis la semaine dernière, right? I met several friends the last weekend. So plusieurs, then more, beaucoup de. Okay, a lot of, beaucoup de. Then trop de, too much. Okay, too much. And many a times it's also used in a negative way. Okay, like per the little. Okay, in that way it's negative, and here too much. Okay, it is on the higher side, but again negative. Okay, so that's how it is used, but through the informally it's also used like bokuda, but informally. Okay, so generally through the is too much, so it's a little negative. Then we also have two, okay, or tooth, two, tooth. So the whole quantity or all or every. That is two, tooth, tooth, tooth. Yes. So if you want to say, we can use it like this. Tout le monde. You've already learned. learned this one, but yes, tout le monde, everyone, toute la journée, the whole day. Then tous tous les étudiants, okay, all the students. Then toutes les filles, all the girls. Okay, like that we use, and we put a determinant here after two, and then whatever we want to specify. Okay. So yes, this is the increasing order of quantity. Peu de, un peu de, assez de, quelques, plusieurs, beaucoup de, trop de, tout. Yes. So this is when the quantity is known, but it is not precise. Okay. Then let's talk about the last one, la quantité indéterminée. Okay. There is obviously something in front of us. We have it, but we don't know how much it is, or we are not telling how much it is. Yes. So it's indéterminé, and it is also if it is uncountable. Okay. If it is not known how much the quantity is and it is also uncountable, then we use this one. Okay. In these cases, we use les articles partitifs. Yes, les articles partitifs for the quantity that is not known or that is uncountable. And the articles are again du, de la, de l'apostrophe, de. Okay. So this seems like les articles contractés, but these are different. Du, de l'apostrophe, de. Du is for masculine singulier, de la féminin singulier, as always. De l'apostrophe for singulier, but starting with a vowel. Okay. Devant une voyelle. Okay. And they is for plural. It's very important to understand why they are used and how they are used. Les articles partitifs. So, if we have, see, let's take example. The first one. Right now, we'll take the examples of food items and drinks. Okay, article partitif with food items and drinks. Okay, and later on, you'll know how to use it for the other things as well. But right now, it's important to know that when we are talking about food items and drinks that are aliments ou boissons. Okay, aliments, food items, and boissons, drinks. For that, we cannot leave that food item or drink without an article. Okay, I ate pizza. Okay, so I cannot say je mange pizza. If I'm not telling the quantity, the precise quantity of the pizza, how much? One pizza, two pizzas, a little bit of pizza, or the entire pizza, or one piece of pizza, one slice of pizza. I'm not saying anything clearly how much it is. Then we cannot leave it like this. Okay, we have to add something, that is article partitif. Okay, when the quantity is not known